Today we're going to look at how we find a unit rate. You need to have your notes out and fill these in as we go along. A unit rate means, the word unit itself means for one. So if we're going to calculate a unit rate, we're going to figure out how much it would be for one item. So in your box, on your notes, unit rate means the amount for one item. And in order to make that calculation, what we're going to do is we're going to divide the numerator by the denominator, or for the first piece by the second piece. They're not always written as a fraction. Sometimes they're written more as a division problem. And if you think about it, a fraction bar means divide, so that's kind of a key to help you remember. First number divided by the second number. Here's an example. You don't have these so on your notes, so just follow along with what I'm doing. All right, we have 33 gallons every 8 minutes. We're supposed to make that into a unit rate. So that means in 1 minute, how many gallons would there be? So if we look at it, it's 33 gallons every 8 minutes. And if we divide that out, 33 divided by 8 comes out to be 4.125. And then our units, we have to attach both of them. So it's gallons per minute. So every 1 minute we use, or something happens to 4 1/8 of a gallon. So 4.125 gallons every minute. All right, these ones you do have, so do these along with me. So this time we have 168 students in 7 classes. We want to know how many students per class. So we're going to take our 168 students and we're going to divide them up into our 7 classes. So 168 divided by 7 equals 24, and then we have to put our units on. So students per class. All right, this time we have an object. The negative means that it's going down, so it's falling 252 feet in 3 seconds. So we're going to take and we're going to divide 252 divided by 3. So 252 divided by 3, and it's going to fall 84 feet every 1 second. All right, our third example. We read 18 books in 4 days. So we want to know how many books that is per day. So we're going to take our 18 books and divide it by our number of days. So that would be 4.5 books every day, or per day. And our last one, we earned $430 in 40 hours. So we're going to take 430, our amount, divided by our number of hours, so divided by 40. So 430 divided by our 40 hours would make 10.75 per hour. And this time I put my unit up in front because that's how we write money. So 10.75 for every hour that we worked. All right, here are some that you're going to do inside your boxes that are on your notes. So you have 4 boxes. So the first one, you're going to do 150 calories in 3 cookies. So what we want to know is the number of calories per cookie. So make that calculation. There's 150 calories in 3 cookies. How many calories are there in 1 cookie? For our second one, we're going 210 miles in 2 hours. So how fast are we going? Or how many miles do we travel in 1 hour? And sometimes in stores, you see what are called unit pricing. So it's $2.95 for 5 cans. What is our cost per can? And our last example, 88 words in 4 minutes. So maybe we're typing or reading. So how many words per minute? So take the number of words divided by the number of minutes. So if we check these, we have 150 divided by 3, so it would be 50 calories per cookie. 210 miles per hour. We take 210, our miles, divided by our number of hours, so it would be 105 miles per hour. It was $2.95 for 5 cans. We take $2.95 and we divide it by 5, and that comes out to be 59 cents for each can. And our last one, so we should probably do our per can, and our last one, 88 words in 4 minutes. That means it's 22 words per minute. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to the IXL website and you are going to do some more practice problems.